Toyota Motor Thailand has revealed another facelift for the Toyota Yaris, which brings about some significant design changes. The ASEAN-market Yaris was first introduced in 2013 and received its first major update in 2017, with the next one arriving in 2020. For 2023, the Toyota Yaris has been enhanced with a sportier-looking facade thanks to the brand's latest hammerhead design DNA. This includes a sharp projector LED headlamp design with daytime running lights as well as more aggressive-looking front bumper. As for the rear, the 2023 Toyota Yaris features a new rear bumper design that comes with faux air outlets and diffuser style decoration with carbon fiber patterns. A set of new 15-inch wheels tie everything together into a sportier and aggressive-looking Yaris for 2023. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a 4.2-inch Optitron multi-info display. Added features include a larger floating-style 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, as well as 2 USB Type-C charging ports for rear passengers. Under the bonnet lies the same 1.2-liter 3NR FKE 4-cylinder engine that produces 92 PS and 109 Nm of torque. This is mated to a Super CVT i-transmission package that offers a respectable fuel consumption rate of 23.3 km for every liter of fuel. 4 variants are up for grabs with prices starting from 559,000 baht to 694,000 baht. The 4 variants for the 2023 Toyota Yaris are Sport, Smart.